Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Akram, a final year student of Electrical Engineering Department at Namal University, Miyawali. Today, I am excited to introduce my final year project, Smart Bacterial Colony Classification System using visual images and artificial intelligence. As we all know, identifying bacterial colonies manually in labs is a slow, expensive, and error-prone process. In Pakistan, there are around 469 licensed microbial labs for medical and agricultural purposes. However, many remote areas in Pakistan still lack proper diagnostic facilities, and sending samples to major cities like Lahore and Islamabad often cause delay in treatment. To address this issue, we have developed an AI-powered system that can automatically classify bacterial colonies into 10 common types which are frequently found across the Pakistan. We collected a diverse and structured dataset by capturing high-resolution images of fresh bacterial colonies, each cultivated on different agar mediums such as nutrients, McConaughey, MSA, EMB, XLD, Solantes, and Bartley agar mediums. After preparing the dataset, we trained two deep learning models, EfficientNetB3 and ResNet50. To improve the system performance, we used an ensemble learning technique by comparing the strength of both models for more accurate and reliable results. We have developed a web application using Streamlit and a mobile application deployed on cloud, so they can be accessed from anywhere. Here is the interface. User can upload an image or capture one using high resolution camera and receive instant classification results within seconds. The system is especially helpful for doctors and lab technicians in remote areas where expert microbiologists or diagnostic labs are not available.
In future, we aim to expand the bacterial colony types along with the sensitive thermal camera in order to increase the accuracy. Thank you so much.